Thanks for joining me for a moment to talk about option volume. I'm King Candy Coding. This study shows the ratio of call volume to put volume in a histogram form. On the upper side of the study you can see the call volume in bars, and the lower side shows the put volume. The actual ratio is also displayed here in a value at a 5.6. Let's take a look at another example of this study. Here's Riven. As it loads, you can see that the call to put volume ratio is closer to 0.5. So there's almost 2 times as many puts as there are calls. Some of the important inputs for this study is the expiration date, which needs to be entered in a year, month, day format, and the strike spread. You can verify the strike spread. You have these options to pick from. For Riven, for example, maybe a $5 strike spread is going to be more appropriate. If you take a look at the option chain, you can see that at the north side of at the money, the strike spread is a $5 spread. On the south side of the option chain, the strike spread is $1. But a $5 spread will work just fine for both sides. Whereas if we flip back over to Micron, the strike spread is $1 all the way through the chain. So for Micron, probably $1 spread would be more appropriate, but there's no real harm in using a 5 spread either. So let's flip back to our study. So it's currently set up a $5 spread, and you can see that the put call ratio is a 6. If we drop that back down to a 1 and see how that affects the study, you're now at a 5. So that's pretty close either way, so I'm not too worried about that. But if you drop into something like Tesla or something else, these smaller spreads won't perform correctly. It'll still give you values here, but really when you take a look at the call chain, the option chain on Tesla, you see they're every $5. So this input for Tesla at a $1 doesn't make any sense. It really does need to be at a $5. There you go. So if you like this video, give me a subscribe or a like, or however you want to show your appreciation. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me on Twitter at King Candy Coding. Thank you.